Imagine it's 2025 and inflation's got its claws in your wallet. Rent's up 7%, groceries are a fortune, and your dream of a wealthy life feels like it's slipping away. Fear hits hard. Will you ever get ahead? But here's the truth. The rich don't panic, they budget smarter. Today, I'm revealing 5 masterful budgeting strategies to not just survive, but thrive amidst rising costs in 2025. This isn't about scraping by, it's about winning. Stay with me, because your financial breakthrough starts now. One, track every penny. First, face the beast, track every single penny. In 2025, inflation's sneaky coffee here, subscriptions there, and suddenly you're broke. Apps like YNAB or Mint are your command center, showing where your money's bleeding. Last year, users saved 15% more just by tracking. Imagine that stacking up. The excitement? You're the boss of your cash. Tip: link your accounts tonight and watch the truth unfold. Scary? Maybe. But ignorance costs more. What's next? A trick so simple, it's genius. Wait, did you just spend $5 on avocado toast again? Busted. Now that you see the leaks, let's plug them with a system the wealthy swear by. 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Meet your new lifeline. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs: rent, food, bills. 30% for wants? Yes, you can still live a little. 20% for savings or debt, your wealth builder. In 2025, with costs soaring, this keeps you disciplined, yet free. Adjust it. 60-20-20 if rent's brutal. The urgency? Start this month or inflation wins. Tip: automate that 20% into savings, set it and forget it. But can you cut deeper? Oh, you'll want to hear this next one. What if your subscriptions are secretly robbing you? From structuring your money to slashing the fat, let's tackle a hidden thief. 3. Slash subscriptions. Ruthlessly, subscriptions are silent wealth killers. In 2025, that $15 Netflix, $10 Spotify, $20 gym you never use, it adds up fast. The average American spends $300 a year on unused apps. Fear that waste. Audit everything. Keep what sparks joy, ditch the rest. Tip: use a free trial tracker, so you're never auto-billed again. The excitement? That's cash, back in your pocket, for goals that matter. Still tempted to splurge? Our next move flips that urge into profit. Raise your hand if you forgot about that random yoga app. Caught you napping. Cutting costs is power. But what if you could stretch every dollar further? Let's get clever. 4. Master the art of deals, cashback and discounts. Inflation's brutal, but you're smarter. Master deals with cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey Earn, 5 to 10% back on every purchase. In 2025, retailers are desperate to keep you spending. So stack discounts, coupons, loyalty points, sales. Last year, savvy shoppers saved $1,000 plus this way. Imagine that fueling your wealth. Tip: install a browser extension tonight. It's effortless. The urgency? Prices won't wait. But can you outsmart rising costs entirely? Stay tuned. From stretching dollars to slashing expenses at the source, our final strategy is pure gold. 5. Cook smarter, not harder. Food's your budget's black hole. Eating out costs 300% more than cooking. In 2025, with grocery prices up 5%, cook smarter. Meal prep 5 dinners on Sunday for under $30. Bulk buy staples like rice and beans, cheap, filling, timeless. The excitement? You're eating like a king while saving like a mogul. Tip: freeze extras. Waste is your enemy. Inflation's rising, but you're not start this week. Which of these 5 will you conquer first? That's the real question. Inflation's a tidal wave, but you're unsinkable. In 2025, tracking every penny, living the 50-30-20 rule. Slashing subscriptions, mastering deals, and cooking smarter aren't just survival tactics. They're your ladder to wealth. The rich don't flinch at rising costs, they outmaneuver them. Pick one strategy today, yes, today, and watch your money grow. Fear's out, power's in. Still here? Perfect, because time's ticking. Drop your top budgeting hack below, let's rise together. Want more? Click the end screen for 5 tips for saving money on a tight budget. Your next step to $1 million mindset awaits.